That's really not all that helpful.
Hey guys.
Okay, let me see. Shh, guys. Okay, so what goes in this top box? Animalia. And then we're going to go left to right, across. Okay?
Nidaria. Are we going down?
Periphery? No, we're going to go across. Next box. Cnidaria. Next box. Platyhelminthes, which are flatworms. Next box. Nematoda. Then what? Mollusca. Now, I will say this, guys. In your notes, those two were reversed. If you remember, we talked about them. Pay attention, please. We talked about them in reverse order. And the reason was we wanted to be ready to dissect annelids. But it was mollusks. Then what goes in this box? Annelida. And then arthropoda, echinodermata, chordata. Okay, so under periphery, Sophia, what goes under periphery in this box? Sponges. Okay, under Cnidaria, what's one of the classes of cnidarians? Hunter. One of the classes of cnidarians. What is one of the classes of cnidarians? You got to be following along, guys. You got to know what's going on. Jackson. Hydrozoa, and what went under hydrozoa? Hydra. Another class, Hunter. Are you finished? No. What were you doing sitting back there doing nothing? Trayton. Hydrozoa, you already said. Anthozoa, and what goes under anthozoa? Anemone, that's right. What's another one? Landon. Say it again. Scyphozoa, and what goes under Scyphozoa? Jellyfish. Okay. Sam, under Platyhelminthes, what's one of the classes of Platyhelminthes? Class of Platyhelminthes. If you don't have this filled out, guys, you need to get it filled out. What goes under Platyhelminthes? Angel. Come on, follow along with me. What goes under Platyhelminthes? Okay, Cestoda, and what goes under Cestoda? Tapeworm. What's another class of Platyhelminthes, Corby? Trematoda, and what goes under there? Flukes. And the third one, Bella? Turbellaria, which includes planarians. The next group is roundworms or nematodes. What were three examples? I know this isn't really the right shape because I skipped. We didn't have any classes of roundworms, only examples. Jackson, what's an example? Pinworm is right. What else, Samuel? Hookworm. And what else, Sophia? Ascaris. Pinworm, hookworm, and ascaris. The next phylum is mollusks. And what's one of the classes of mollusks? Ashley? Gastropods. And what would go under gastropods? Snails and slugs. What's another one? Corby?
Cephalopods.
Cephalopods. And what goes under head feet or cephalopods? Think of marine things that have a great big head. Octopus and something that's like it. Squid. Nathan, the next one. Bivalves would include clams and oysters. Okay. What's the next group? Let's see. Trayton, what's the next group? Annelids. What's one class of annelids? Bella. Polychaeta. Right, Polychaeta. And Polychaeta includes, Bella? Marine worms. What's another class of segmented worms or annelids? Angel? Hirudinea. And what does Hirudinea include? Leeches.
Wait, what was it?
Hirudinea. Leeches. The next group, Jackson. Oligochaeta, and that includes earthworms is right. What's the next phylum?
Wait, what?
Michelle, what goes in this oval? Okay, arthropods. So under arthropods, we have two of them that have two examples and one that has three examples. So it's going to make a difference where you put them. What's one of them that has two examples? Samuel?
Crustaceans.
There are two examples of crustaceans, and what are they?
Crab and lobster.
Crab and lobster. What's another one that has two examples? Trayton?
The insects,
And that includes butterfly and grasshopper. And then we have a third phylum that has three. What are those, Bella?
Arachnid,
That's arachnids, and the examples are?
spiders, ticks, and scorpions.
That's right. The next phylum, Nathan. The next, no, follow along. Ashley? Echinodermata or echinoderms. What's one class of those, Nathan? Holothuroidea. And what are those? Sea cucumbers. Another class of echinoderms. Sophia. Asteroidea, and those include starfish or sea stars. Third one, Jackson. We had Asteroidea and Holothuroidea. Echinoidea, and what's that include? Sea urchins. And this last phylum is Chordata, and what was the example of a chordate? Samuel? Us. Humans. Okay, listen, guys. You will have a quiz that will be a blank one of these. You'll have that quiz on Thursday. A week from today, you have a quiz over it. You have to know them. Oh, you have to practice them. That's how you learn things, by practicing them. The other portion of your assignment is this. The other portion of your assignment is pages, so you need to write this down. So you have a graphic organizer quiz, and you have page 10 through 13. Page 10 through 13. Okay, we'll get you started here, guys, on page 10 through 13. What are the 5 characteristics of animals? Page 10 to 13. Graphic organizer quiz that we just looked at in page 10 to 13. I found you to be basically trustworthy over time. I'm going to count that for something.
On Rachel's thing, she had a +1 here.
I don't know what that was for.
Mine was
Did you have the same thing? Okay, that's fair. Thank you, my man. Okay, so now, guys, this is our kind of some summary information for the entire chapter. Let's see who can name the characteristics of an animal. This is the beginning of your notes also, Trayton. What do you have? What else do you have?
Organized, they can reproduce.
I don't know about organized for animals. That's any living thing. Reproduce. Somebody give me the ones that should be the first thing in your notes. What do you have, Sam? The very first thing in your notes. Characteristics of animals. We got reproduce. We have reproduce.
That's all you put is reproduce.
That's fine. Go. Say it again. Well, you should have 5 things there. It's right at the beginning of your notes. They reproduce sexually. What else do you have, Corby?
Heterotrophic by ingestion.
They are heterotrophic. That means they eat other things by ingestion. What else do you have? Landon.
May move by means of muscle cells.
Move by the action of muscles. What else do you have? Angel?
A life cycle.
Can't hear you.
Life cycle.
Okay. They have a life cycle. That is, what else does it say about it? Okay. Life cycle, adults, diploid, meaning like us, we have 46 chromosomes, but we actually have 23 pairs of chromosomes. What else, Nathan? Okay.
That's it.
We'll keep going. We have a little more time here. We'll do a few more since we're here. Animals without backbones are classified as, Landon, invertebrates. So if you're questioning their courage, you can say these things are
Spineless.
spineless,
Spineless freak.
spineless invertebrate. And those that have backbones are called vertebrates. What word, Samuel, means that an animal has no particular symmetry? Asymmetrical. Guys, I'm answering these for you, and some of you aren't writing them down. That doesn't make any sense to me. Right now would be the time to get these answered because I'm giving you the answers. I'll wait till later when I don't know what's going on and see how that works out. Okay. Asymmetrical. Has no particular symmetry. What kind of symmetry means that they're circular? Bella?
Radial.
Radial symmetry. Okay? And then what kind means that they have a definite right and left half, Sophia? Bilateral. Okay? The blank body plan means that the animal has an incomplete digestive system and only one opening. This would be like cnidarians and like periphery. Sac body plan. Sac body plan.
How many do we have to answer?
Animals, all of them. Animals with the blank body plan have a complete digestive system with 2 openings.
Is it the cavity one?
No.
I don't know.
Go ahead, Trayton.
It is number G.
It is
G within a tube.
tube in a tube. Tube in a tube body plan. Okay. We're on to number 3. Animals with what level of organization have only 2 germ layers? This is from page 619 and in your notes. Landon? I won't ever mind. Ashley? Tissue. Whereas if they have 3 germ layers, we would say they have what level of organization? Hunter? Might look at page 619. I think it shows us that on there. If it doesn't, no, it doesn't talk about it there. So look at page 624. Those are the first ones that have this. What's the next level of organization after tissue? Sam?
Was B bilateral?
No. Oh,
E was
No. Go.
Organ.
Organ level. They have an organ level of organization. Okay? A true coelom is one in which an internal body cavity is completely lined What do you have there, guys? A true body cavity is one that is completely lined. Bella? Okay. Yeah, mesoderm is correct. What did I forget? Oh, bimesoderm. That'd make more sense, right? Animals without any coelom are called, it means literally without a coelom. Sophia? Acoelomate. Acoelomate.
Good afternoon, everyone. And we
If
have a
it's-
quiet for announcements, please.
If it's incompletely lined, we call it a
Short on announcements, so if I could have your
Pseudo.
attention here, don't miss these 3. Any 8th grade or senior show choir students wanting to sell their uniform,
Pseudo-coelomate?
they start bringing them
Pseudo-coelom.
How do you spell that?
board.
putting it right there. Can you read it up there?
Completed Nebraska Lane University, please submit certificates to Mrs. Eichhoff as soon as possible. And leadership meeting will be tomorrow morning, gentlemen. So any junior or sophomore, junior boys that are going to be up in football next year will be at 7 a.m. in the library tomorrow morning.
10 to 13.
And with that, let's end our day with a prayer.
Quiet.
May the Lord bless us.
Doesn't keep us. May protect us from harm.
May He protect us from harm.
Watch over us and give us his peace. In the name of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Amen.
Hold tight, guys. Everybody's got to be clear because some of you aren't going to be here tomorrow. Quiz
Next Thursday when we're back.
and page 10 to 13 are due next Thursday. Okay? See ya.